As the holiday season approaches, excitement is in the air. It's a time for joy, for sharing, and for giving. But remember, it's also important to shop smart and spend wisely. Have you set a budget for your holiday expenses? Whether it's for gifts, decorations, travel, or parties, it's crucial to stick to your budget to keep the season merry and bright. And how about giving the gift of experiences? These can be much more meaningful than any material item. Imagine the joy of a cooking class, a relaxing spa day, or singing along at a concert. These are gifts that keep on giving, creating memories that last a lifetime. Getting a head start on shopping can lead to big savings. Look out for those online sales, use price comparison tools, and snag those early bird discounts. This way, you'll not only save money, but also the stress of last-minute shopping. And speaking of stress-free, why not make a list of everyone you're celebrating with and what you'd like to gift them? It keeps you organized and ensures you're thoughtful with each present. Now let's talk expectations. The holidays aren't about lavish spending. They're about togetherness and making everyone feel loved. So have those conversations about holiday spending with your family and friends. After all, the best things in life are free. If you're nodding along and thinking, this is the way to go, but you've got questions or need a little guidance to plan your holiday budget, Concha Financial is here for you. Give us a call at 678-539-9518, and let's make this holiday season the best one yet. Happy giving.